Nobody gives a damn about your excuses. And I know that sounds harsh. Once I learned that or started to process it, I was like, you don't know what I've been through. Maybe you're thinking the same thing. Maybe you've been through divorce. Maybe you lost everything. Maybe your health is just shit. Maybe somebody betrayed you. Maybe you grew up in a home that made your life harder than it should have been. I've lived through a lot of that. Listen carefully. I'm not saying your pain isn't real. I'm saying your excuses are no longer going to build your future. For years, I blamed every person and everything except for the person who could change. I blamed my childhood, my marriage, my money, the government, bad luck, take your pick. Meanwhile, surprise, nothing got better. Then one day, I realized the world doesn't care if I'm healed before I got moving. I didn't give a shit. Same thing, that old sun still comes up every day. Everybody's going to work. Those bills are still due. I had a choice. Keep telling myself why I couldn't, or start proving how I could. I couldn't change my whole life overnight, but I could change one thing. I started walking. One walk became another. I started to change what I ate, stopped drinking. I kept showing up every damn day. Those small decisions changed my life. Here's what I've learned. Your past may explain where you are. It doesn't get to decide where you're going. The most powerful words that you will ever say, why me? Stop that. Where am I going? Better question. You get that, you take your power back. Stop waiting for perfect. Stop waiting for Monday next year, first of the year. Stop saying, why did it happen? And start saying, what can I do to improve? Stop being controlled by yesterday. You can own today. One decision, one walk, one healthy meal, a phone call, an application for a new job, and you keep stepping one little step at a time. Excuses aren't going to get you anywhere. If you're done making excuses and you're ready to start building your life, if this message spoke to you, type I'm in so I can see you. I'm an accountability coach and I help people. Remember guys, you have to get up every single day for the rest of your life and do one thing that gets you closer to your dreams. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one.